if you're doing the simple right things of caring for life and caring for the land and everything that you need, your community included or people, then things are going to be okay.
We're here today at the McDonald Farm in Naperville, part of the Conservation Foundation.
It's not the only farm in Naperville, but we are the only organic farm anywhere in this area. Not only that, but we are 40 acres of vegetable production here, so we're definitely the largest farm in the area.
Overall, we grow over 90 different kinds of vegetables. We're an organic certified farm, so we grow in concert with nature and taking care of the soil and taking care of the land, benefiting our pollinators. And so all of that on the farm ties into our mission of the Conservation Foundation to preserve and protect land. It all ties together here on the farm in the way that we grow food.
Through the Endeavor Health Community Investment Fund, we're supporting the Green Earth Harvest Program and the Farm to Pantry Initiative.
We absolutely love this program. We love this collaboration with the Green Earth Harvest Program. One of our goals at the Food Pantry is to provide the healthiest food possible to our clients. That's always been a goal, and clients always request fruits and vegetables.
Through the pantry program and talking to our pantry partners, they want to make sure that all the food that they get ends up on people's tables and not just left because people don't know what to do with it. So we really spent a lot of time with each of our pantry partners to figure out what their patrons need in particular.
So that helps us in our planning process. So now we're growing this food with the intention of providing it to the pantries. And that's allowed us to go from 5,000 pounds a year to over 24,000 pounds a year, and growing that food specifically for them rather than relying on just what's left over.
Once you're here, you realize that the Conservation Foundation as a general organization is really in it for the health of the community and the health of nature, which are very intertwined. Endeavor Health's partnership is truly transformational for our farm to be able to replace the aging equipment and find more efficiencies.
It was a big sigh of relief in many ways when we got the phone call to tell us that we received this grant funding, because literally that week before, our tractor was stuck here in the barn because the transmission had gone out on it.
Part of the Endeavor grant that we've received is going to allow us to build another greenhouse for seedling production.
We've never had a skid steer here on the farm.
And then there's stuff like the cultivation tractor that we've had a good start with this year.
The Kawasaki, the mule, we call it the Ka.
And I would say probably the biggest impact operationally is the weather situation.
So to be able to take advantage of the weather windows. So when we have good weather and we can get out and we can do multiple tasks at once, that flexibility is allowing us to grow more food, take care of our soil better, and ultimately getting more food into the hands of people who need it.
I feel that everybody knows intrinsically why this work is important, but they might not make the connection. There's just so many things going on that can feel heavy. So by having this place here, that gives people a place to look for hope, something to see and say, look at these people. They're growing healthy food, they're taking care of the lands that they're on, and they all love what they're doing.